Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use TikTok using your computer. So first, you want to open your browser and then search for tiktok.com, as you can see here on my search bar. And then if you have an account, you can just log in your account, or if you don't have an account, just click sign up here, as you can see on the lower part of the screen. So here, TikTok will give you a lot of options. So if you want to log in with Google, you can just click continue with Google, or Facebook, you can click this continue with Facebook. So for this video, I'm just gonna go with continue with Google. And then you want to click on your email address. And then just wait. And then as you can see here on the upper part, it says that you can watch video. So there you have it. But if you want to watch video like as if you're in your phone, you can choose whatever